Can I have 2 char siu bao, cold one?
2 char siu bao, cold one?
Yep.
Every day, I work closely with my own teams, but I also believe that in being there on the front lines, alongside the people who are the heart and soul of the company, is core to what I do. And that's because I believe in the saying, if we take care of our people, they will take care of our customers, and our business will take care of itself. Hey, Henry.
Hey, hi, Vipul.
How are you?
Very good, very
How's
good.
it going?
Food service is really busy during this period, and we are trying to cope with the customers in the store right now.
But busy is a good thing.
It is, but we are just hoping to get more staff. Maybe the leadership team can also help out.
Sure.
Maybe find a nearby stores, maybe you can go there and motivate the team a little bit and maybe help us out at the cashier. There are a total of more than 80 Kopitiam in the system today. Jam being the latest one is really busy recently. I've gotten Ramesh to work with Vipul to see how we make our coffee, our tea, and it'll be good to let Vipul understand more about the food service business and at the same time to later get insight from him of his experience.
These are the categories that we have. Straight away you can choose whatever items that customer likes to have. As for the drinks, we have hot beverages, coffee, tea, Milo.
Quick one, what is Yuan Yang?
Yuan Yang is basically coffee and tea. You mix together.
You like it?
No.
Okay. Me neither, I'm not sure.
Hi Mr. Huat, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Uncle Huat, how are you? Nice to meet you, nice to meet you. I'm here to learn from you.
Yeah, every day must learn for the customer.
Yes.
So now you take it for the counter, I go and make coffee.
Okay, thank you. I do my best, and if I need help, I ask you. Okay, I think I'm ready to serve some customers. Hopefully. Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'd like to order one Kopi kosong filler. Yeah, thank you.
Some Kopi C for Uncle.
Kosong
Okay.
filler, yeah, that'll be all.
That'll be all?
Pay by the fair price set.
There you go. Thank you. I'll give you your receipt.
Okay, sure.
Can I have 2 char siu bao, cold one?
2 char siu bao, cold one?
Yep. Take
2 char siu bao?
冷的有吗？
冷的没有。
冷的没有啊？ So just take 2 lah.
2 of these?
Yeah, and 1 coffee C,
And 1 Kopi C?
kosong ice.
Where are you? Ice Kopi C. Okay, there you go.
Okay.
Got it?
1 bao tapao, 1 coffee C sio tai ting, 1 ice lemon tea, 1 lemon.
Which bao set did you want? You said char siu?
The bao set, the special bao set one.
The special bao set.
Promotion.
Oh, that's in the promotion.
Go to the bao set. Go to the bao set. Go to the bao. Go to the bao set. Go to the bao
1
set.
ice lemon.
I'm just going to have to ask someone, which is the special bao set? I can't see it here.
You want the bao set?
Bao set.
Bao set go to the bao.
Ah, the super saver?
Yeah,
Okay, and
that's all.
so 3 things. You want the super saver bao set, 1 Kopi C, and 1 ice lemon tea?
Sio tai. Coffee C sio tai.
There you go. You can just tap that. Sorry I took long for that order. I'm new here. I'm learning.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Wow, this looks easy, but it's not so easy. I can tell you that. Thank goodness I've got Uncle Huat to help me.
I was observing Mr. Vipul while he was handling the cash register, and I find that he was quite uncomfortable, I should say, because there is a row of customer in the queue and he got to be fast.
是啊，因为他第一次来他不熟嘛，我们这样帮忙他看哪一个 item 他不熟，有时候按错的话，会尽量给他了解一下这个问题在哪里咯。
Eventually, he overcame the nervousness because he's such a jovial person. I believe that overrides his nervousness. Of course, it's the first day for him, but if you want to be familiar, you got to be hands-on. He understands on a daily basis. It's not that easy as what we see.
There you go. Thank you. You can collect your drink from there. Thank you so much. That got a little busy, but I think I survived that. Hello, my hard-working brothers.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Your
sir.
coffee. I
Thank you.
hope you enjoy it. So, Uncle, how long have you been with the company and how long have you been with Kopitiam?
I come in company 20 years working. Kopitiam 8 years.
You enjoy the job, enjoy the
Oh
work?
yes,
Yeah?
absolutely. Previously, I was in the service industry as well,
Yes.
so it's similar. Just that working for Kopitiam, it's nice because the environment, the ambience, the people are nice.
What can I do to help? What do you need from me?
At times we do shortage of manpower,
Yes.
especially at our drink counter.
Yeah.
If there is any chance to increase the headcount, that will be great. Because I understand they are working 6 days a week.
Yes.
Spending some time with your family one day, I believe, is not enough.
I get that.
Like every day working, not happy working also no. Go back also no happy. or important must healthy.
Yes, health, that is the most important thing. I agree with you. Completely agree. I appreciate what you do. Thank you for letting me come and learn a little bit. And we will do this again. You know, Kopitiam is a brand we've all known for a long time. And we walk by it, we use it, we interact with it. But working in it is a completely different experience. And my day today was full of surprise, full of gratitude, and of course full of learning. I have to say, I learned all about the very different types of beverages that we serve. It boggles the mind. The minute you're facing the customer, you realize what it means to be on the hot seat. The reason why we have been able to not just survive but thrive for 5 decades is because of the commitment of our front line. And what struck me was their very positive attitude. They do a tough job day in and day out. I'm just humbled and honored to be part of such a great team.
50 years together, always fair best.